If you want a capable, comfortable, and luxurious full-size pickup that looks tough but rides smooth and packs plenty of power, then this certified pre-owned 2017 Ram 1500 Night Edition Crew Cab in bright white will not disappoint. With a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, 20-inch painted black aluminum wheels, black tube side steps, bifunction projector, black honeycomb grille, heated power mirrors with turning signal, rear power window, locking tailgate, Class 5 receiver hitch, leather heated and vented bucket seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel with mounted audio controls, power adjustable pedals, second row storage bins or coolers, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, dual zone temperature controls, media hub with integrated voice control, digital info center, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5266.